Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys on playing PUBG on the iPhone 11. So in this video, we're going to be playing PUBG and show you guys how the graphic looks on the iPhone 11 while we're playing this game, as this game is pretty intensive in terms of graphic. As you can see right now, I believe we're in a plane, we're going to be landing soon, and then once we do that, we should see how the graphic plays out. As you can see with the iPhone 11 Pro, if you're gaming a lot, I believe the iPhone 11 actually does a really well and a really good job here, in terms of the performance for a lot of these games here right now. As you can see, I'm looking around, doing all of this cool stuff without really any issues. I don't play much, graphic heavy games, but the ones that I do play, I do usually see them being really well, and iPhone does a really great job. As you see here, the iPhone 11 white edition that I have. If you guys are looking for the iPhone 11 to buy, check out the link down below in the description for so much cheap iPhone 11s that you can go for, like, sometimes $100 $200 discount on eBay and Amazon. So I'm gonna be playing some of the game here to show you guys the graphic rendering on the PUBG game on your mobile. See how that looks. So here, as you see, I am about to land, I believe, here. So let's go ahead and land and see if we make a good landing here. So, okay, so we landed here, and I'm looking at the graphic. As you see right now, I'm walking around here, no issue of any lag. So going around here, people are joining, taking a look at the view here, the phone, all of these are working, modes, jumping around, those are working as well. I don't know if you guys play this game a lot or not, but I'm liking the graphics here. It's clean, crisp. As you see, there's no issue. Even though my Wi-Fi is not the greatest here, I'm able to just, use it here, just going through. Let's keep on walking, see how that looks here. I think I am okay. I think the game has started. I saw some blood. I think I need to find something. As you see, as I'm doing a demo only, I'm not able to focus on the game. People are getting killed over here. Just wanted to show you guys how the graphics are playing out here. Let's go in here. As you see, it's rendering really well and smoothly. So I do recommend, if you guys are looking to game on the iPhone 11, definitely definitely get the iPhone 11 for those gaming purposes. We'll do another video where we actually play the game, but right now, as you are noticing, I'm in the red zone right now, so it must be bad for me. Should probably, oh shit, I'm getting killed here. Oh no, I don't have a weapon, I'm getting killed. Let's run out of here. If you can get in here, find anything. But overall, you see the graphics are phenomenal here. I'm getting killed. I'm trying to get out of here. All right, I think I'm done here. But as you can see, that's pretty much it for you guys in terms of, what's being happening. I'm getting killed, like, completely. But just for your purposes, to show you guys how the graphic is, it's really phenomenal. So thanks for watching, guys.